Hey everyone, thank you for your patience in waiting for this new update video. I've had a lot of changes in my life recently and I wasn't able to do any editing. As Javon was about to swap my engine and transmission into the new shell, he noticed a crazy amount of Bondo that had been painted over. And as he started to chip it away, he saw that the car had hidden structural damage, making the shell unlikely to ever be registered for road use again. Due to some changes in his personal life, Javon offered to sell me back my old S2000 and help me part out my silver S2000 after I used some of its parts to fix the black car. It turns out the passenger door wasn't inoperable or wedged in place like we had thought. It was just locked and the lock mechanism broke during the accident. But thankfully, there was no damage to the door jamb. Got the car jacked up. Time to get that cat. Let's see what size that is. At least it was there like they promised. Let's see if we can get that off safely. Yeah. Baby raccoon. Have my baby girl back. How is she doing? Is she good? Huh? This can't be real. I said, how is she? She good? What the heck? I had the cars towed over to Eastern Auto Collision Center to swap the soft top frame and remove some redundant parts that I planned to sell. Then, I had the cars towed to their other facility to have them finish the job. So yeah, they got the soft top off. They did split the roll hoops, which is really bad. We'll have to talk about that, but even though I warned them about it, but they put the plastic back well. However, they're supposed to put this plastic in my new shell, so at least they did that pretty darn well, the rear plastics and everything else. So it'll go back in the S2000, my new shell. Maybe I'll try some different kind of glue or zip ties or something to get it to stay closed. I know it's almost impossible to keep the roll hoops closed, but yeah, interior's still good. We've been using that car cover. I know it looks horrible, but no damage, no harm, no foul. Shuffling the parts is going surprisingly well.
You get the receipt? You're done with this ticket, go ahead and give it.
Yeah, all the blunders and buying and selling and up and down. Yeah. Makes it more real.
Yeah, free advertisement for going to auto right now too.
Absolutely. Hey everyone, thanks again for your patience and thanks again for tuning in. So there you have it. I bought back my old shell and I plan to restore it and part out the silver shell. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I've been taking care of a sick relative and handling some other personal issues that have come up in my life recently. And I know this is a really short update video, but believe me, the next update video will be the most exciting video yet. Trust me. So as always, thanks again for watching. Thank you for your patience, and I'll see you in the next one.